Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Roblox installation that is stuck. First, ensure all Roblox applications and background processes are completely closed. Next, verify your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak signal can interrupt downloads. Finally, temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software, as these can sometimes block the installation process. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start. Now, let's clear out any corrupted or outdated installation data. Open your Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R, then type %appdata% and hit Enter. Navigate back one folder to Local, then find the Roblox folder. Inside, locate and delete the temp folder. This simple step often resolves many installation hangups by removing problematic files. For a clean slate, we need to perform a proper reinstallation. First, completely uninstall Roblox through your computer's control panel or settings. After uninstallation, restart your computer to clear any lingering processes. Then, download the very latest installer directly from the official Roblox website. Crucially, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator to ensure it has all necessary permissions. If the problem persists, consider these advanced steps. Ensure your operating system has all pending updates installed, as outdated systems can cause compatibility issues. Also, double-check that your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, including processor speed and available RAM. If all else fails, the best course of action is to reach out directly to Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.